What's up YouTube? Chavo Hemi back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I've been real busy. I already started because I was too happy. This is from Xlume. I already connected the positive. I'm about to ground it. Finally about to put the bumper back on. It is a 392 badge. I finally put my spoiler back on. That thing's sturdy, you understand? Real sturdy. But I'm about to go ahead and finish up this. My battery stayed dead, so I'm gonna end up having to jump it so I can see the colors. I'm gonna set y'all up while I do this. That bitch hard. That shit hard. Hey, while I'm bolting in this last bolt, do me a favor, go follow me on Instagram, Chapo Hemi, CHAPOHEMI. Follow me on Instagram, no cap, we out. Splash. Oh snap, it's glowing already. That's nice. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this app, Magic LE Reserved, I believe it is. It says it's connected. Oh, let me see the instructions talking about. Gotta do some Wi-Fi. Letting it. Connected. I'm gonna close that out and we'll do that again. Let me see more. Yeah, I'm about to go see what's up with it. But that's it, it's glowing right now. I'll be back.
Damn, sad bitches. Damn.
Looks like I figured it out, I hope. But yep, I went to not Best Buy, Best Buy. Had to go get me one of these. God damn it. These ringing terminals. Positive. Negative. Man, that thing dancing, boy. Xlume badge. Once it's done pairing, I'm gonna hook it up. Go ahead and put the bumper on and go from there. I'll be back. Took some time, but I figured it out. This is it, guys. The final product. It's kind of bright. Let's see if I turn the brightness down. There we go. That's nice. That be nice. Let's see some functions, boy. Ooh. Oh no, none of this work. Hey. Hello. Hello. Mic sensitivity. Yo. Yes, sir. We in this bit. Chapo Henny. Yes, sir. This bitch go hard. Select music. It's gonna be a brief second. Let's see. Oh, I can't even play music. But yeah, guys, this is it. It's gonna turn off. Brightness low. This is it, guys. This is gonna be my color right here. Around with yellow. Doing black and yellow. I don't know. We'll see. This thing go hard. But that's the end of the video, guys. If you like the video, like, subscribe. It was a quick little install. Just want y'all see I got little things coming together. The hood should be next, coming soon. I'm gonna show y'all the other stuff I bought later. I'll see y'all later.